In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 stupid simple, stupid easy YouTube channel ideas that you could start today to start building a following and make money online. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to take a look at all of the different ways to monetize these stupid simple and stupid easy YouTube channel ideas. We're going to take a look at small channels so that you don't say, hey, you got to be this huge mega channel. We're going to take a look at it all so that you can start these channels. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. Now, before we get up and running, I do need to warn you, I do need to caution you that this video is going to have a ton of information. This viewer says that I should tell you that you need to have a pencil and paper handy so that you don't spend 20 minutes watching a 5-minute video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. We're going to take a look at 5 different YouTube channel ideas. These YouTube channel ideas can bring in very good money. I'm going to show you some small YouTube channels that are already doing this and how you can monetize these opportunities. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first one. The first one we want to talk about is how much does X make on YouTube? For example, if we take a look at my screen here, the top result, how much does Tasha K make on YouTube 2022? This video has 27,000 views. This content creator only has 3,000 subscribers. And if I let you listen to this content creator, hopefully you're able to hear something familiar. All right, so let's take a look at this content creator. Let's look at his video real quick.
Tasha makes with her YouTube channel. Included in this video is,
as you can hear, hopefully you could hear that. This content creator is actually me, and I put together a 10-minute video simply putting together how much Tasha K makes on YouTube. Now, most people do this niche wrong. Most people will just go over to Social Blade and they'll get that information and then they'll just make a 2-minute video. What I've done is I've actually gone in, I've looked at her profile, I've looked at all of her different links, and I actually made a pretty good video. Now, if we look at this, you can see here, I have links that go to my landing page. I have links that go out to Canva and links that go to Fiverr. I've got links going everywhere, and this actually helps me earn affiliate commissions. Now, there's a few different ways that you can make money with this type of channel. Obviously with the YouTube Partner Program, I think affiliate marketing works out really well. You can promote things like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, helping people get started, giving them the tools that they need to start a YouTube channel. In fact, that's some of the benefits that I have received. Now, again, most people do this YouTube channel wrong, do this niche wrong. What they'll do is they'll just go, how much does Tasha K make on YouTube? I'm going to hit enter here, and you're going to see that there are like 3-minute videos. There are 5-minute videos where people are just going over to Social Blade, grabbing the information, and then putting it up. I think that there is a much better way if you do it the right way. And people just want to know about their favorite YouTuber. How much does, and we'll just get rid of Tasha K. We'll say how much does underscore here, and you're going to see how much does Mr. Beast make on YouTube, for example. You can make this type of content and you can get traffic. Now, because it's in the YouTube niche, I think it's actually a medium to high CPM or cost per 1,000. So you can see here, lots of views to be had if you do it the right way, but that's number 1. Number 2 is actually with who is. Now, the interesting thing about this niche is a lower CPM. And so basically what that means is you're going to need more views because it's in the celebrity space. But if we look at a tool called Ahrefs, it's a paid keyword research tool, people are asking every single month 35 million times who people are. So if you create a bunch of these videos, you can create maybe 3 videos per day, you can start getting lots of traffic. For example, if I type in who is Big Meech, and I actually don't know who Big Meech is, we're going to see that there are channels of all sizes that are ranking for this type of content. As soon as my computer loads, you're going to see this top result here, 1,000, almost 2,000 subscribers. This video has 196,000 views. If we look through here, you can see channels of all sizes are ranking for this type of content, and you can make it. Now, this is going to be considered entertainment, and so once again, it's probably going to be a lower CPM. But what you can do is A, get lots of views, B, you can sell your merchandise if you get large enough. I think there are lots of opportunities for who is. And again, new celebrities come and go every single day. And so you're always going to have an opportunity. As you saw by Ahrefs, 35 million people are searching this type of information every single month. And if you're using Ahrefs, one pro tip is to set the max keyword difficulty to 10 or less. And you can see that people are asking all sorts of stuff. That's how I found who is Big Meech. You could also do who is the fattest person in the world and so on. Just do a little bit of research and away you go. The next one that I really, really like, because I think there's lots of opportunity, is simply putting together quizzes. Now, look at this. Grey's Anatomy quiz season 1 through 3. Top result, 1.4 thousand views, 746 subscribers. Now, what some of these guys do is they actually will go over to Canva and they'll make a slide deck and they'll say, who is McDreamy? And then they'll have some background music. They'll give you 3 different options, and then they actually will reveal the result on the next page. You can see this is only a 4-minute video, and some of these people obviously aren't showing their face, and some of them they're not even talking. But if we look at this, you can see that you could actually come up with this. Now, the reason why this works is because TV shows develop a cult following. This is great for like game nights. This is great for, just quizzing friends and family. I think there's also lots of opportunity to make more money. I think you could start a Patreon and do weekly or monthly game nights. Patreon is a membership site where you charge $5 or $10 per month. And you could, like I said, you could do quizzes. You could do little game nights, trivia night, and you could make money by building a community. Now, obviously, building a community is going to take a little bit of time. It's not something that just happens overnight, but this is an opportunity. I also think that you could go out and find affiliate products like merchandise for Grey's Anatomy. Most likely, if they are watching Grey's Anatomy, if they're playing the Grey's Anatomy game, they may want old DVDs. They might want different clothing like t-shirts and apparel and things of that nature. You could even get them into a Netflix or Hulu subscription, and Netflix and Hulu actually have affiliate programs, so that's an opportunity as well. But I just want to point out, look at this one, 3,000 subscribers, 176,000 views from a Grey's Anatomy quiz. Now, what you can do is you can come up here and you can type in different TV shows. For example, The Office quiz. And The Office, once again, has a cult following. It's spelled quiz wrong. The Office quiz. And you can see that people are looking this up. We'll do Office Quiz Season 1, and you're going to see these get lots of views. And you can do this type of content. 39,000 views, 145 subscribers, 8 minutes. So it could get monetized by the YouTube Partner Program, but you can see this again and again and again. This video is a year old. This video is a year old as well, but you can see here that people are creating this content and they're getting views. One of the things that people tell me all the time is, I don't get any views. How do I get views? You've got to be a large channel in order to get views. No, you need to create the content consistently over a period of time so that you can start getting the views so that you can start making the money. But these simple quizzes would actually work out really well. You don't have to show your face with it. You can play some royalty-free background music, and you could do all of this for free using free software like Canva or PowerPoint. The next one that I really like is Would You Rather. Now, Would You Rather is a huge niche. It's a yes or no. Now, the cool thing with this, if we look, you can see this top result, 6,000 subscribers, 66,000 views. The one below it, 1,000 subscribers, 2,000 views. But there's different niches within Would You Rather. So you could actually do Would You Rather Disney like this. And if we hit that, you are going to see that lots of people are looking this up. Now, this is going to be considered a lower CPM niche, so you're going to need lots of views to make a decent amount of money, but people like these quiz type things. You can see, look at this one, Would You Rather Disney Princess Edition, 34,000 views, 1,000 subscribers. Now, you do want to be aware and cognizant of copyright issues when you are creating your YouTube channel or your YouTube account, but I think this is another cool opportunity. Again, there's lots of sub niches. Would you rather like LeBron James or Michael Jordan? Would you rather LeBron James, LeBron James or Michael Jordan? And you are going to start a lot of people arguing. And that's what you want. You want a lot of engagement. You want a lot of people going back and forth about different topics. Look at this one. 771,000 views, only 6,000 subscribers. But you could create this type of content and be really successful and make very good money. Michael Jordan versus LeBron James, lifestyle war. That's actually a different type of channel altogether, but you can see that there are tons of opportunities out here. And then my last one, which is also my favorite, is simply measurements, calculations, really simple stuff. How many ounces in a pound? If we look at this, How Convert, which I've talked about before on the channel, they make a 2-minute video. They get 45,000 views on simple stuff. Now, if you don't know the answer, and this is the beauty of it, and I think this is why it's so stupid and so stupid simple, stupid easy, you can just type in something like how many ounces in a pound. Look at this. How many ounces in a pound? And Google's actually going to give you the answer. Okay? It's that easy. But what I do want to show you is if we scroll down a little bit, there is a small channel that pops up doing this exact content. This one, let's see, is not it. This one right here, 459 views, only 15 subscribers, and they would have more subscribers, but they stopped uploading. But you can see how many ounces in a pound, 4.1 thousand views, 7 subscribers. And I think there's more opportunity than just the YouTube Partner Program. I think that you could go over to Amazon or Target and you could find like measuring charts. They're most likely be interested in cooking. You could put together a cooking ebook and give that away for free, get people on your mailing list, and then you could potentially sell other stuff to them like recipes. You could sell like different pots and pans, and that stuff's really expensive. So I think there's lots of opportunity in these different niches, and they're all relatively easy to get into. You don't have to overthink it. It's not overcomplicated. You just do a little bit of research and implement and go. Now, the last one that I want to talk about is actually what you do all day. Yes, you could turn in whatever you do all day into a successful YouTube channel. Now, the cool thing about this is that you already know about the topic. If you are, let's say you're a fry cook, you could say a day in the life of a fast food worker like this, hit enter, and these get lots of views because people are interested. Now, what you have to do is make sure that you tie whatever you do all day into something that people are actually interested in. People don't necessarily care about you. They care about the problems you can solve for them. Now, if we look at this, a day in the life of a fast food worker, Wendy's work vlog, 15,000 views, 2,000 subscribers. Day in the life of a McDonald's worker, 139,000 views, 17,000 subscribers. A day in the life of a McDonald's worker, 18,000 views, 2,000 subscribers. You could, if let's say you're working at McDonald's, you could say how to cook, like how to make a Big Mac at home. How to make a Big Mac at home, just like this. And you can see there are lots of people asking questions about this different genre. And as you can see, lots of people are interested in these different topics. Now, this is a food niche, so you can see there's a lot of traffic, a lot of interest. But whatever it is that you do all day, you can turn that into content and you can make money with YouTube. And then you could look at the YouTube Partner Program, obviously. You can look at affiliate marketing or recommending other people's products and services. You can sell physical products. You can sell digital products. You just have to go out and create the content. Nothing is too saturated where you can't find success online. You just have to take the first step and understand that when you create your first video, you're automatically not going to have 1 million views. Okay. I have 1,500 videos on this channel. And if you go back to my first videos, those first videos have 20 views. Okay. But I understood that if I keep uploading, I keep learning, I keep evolving with the platform, eventually I'll find success. And last week I uploaded a video that has over 100,000 views, which is insane to think about. So you can get started. You can be successful with YouTube if you take action and you try one of these methods. Now that you know how to get started with YouTube, click the first link in the description for a free affiliate marketing planner. That planner is going to help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start to get that planner today. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to help you start an online business.